Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Motorola phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use Bluetooth setting on Motorola phone. Friends, you want to use Bluetooth setting on your Motorola phone, and friends you want to pair Bluetooth device, you want to connect Bluetooth device, so how to connect and use today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on Bluetooth setting. Use Bluetooth guys, right side icon guys, we will on first of all. After on guys, refresh your Bluetooth setting. After refresh friends, you can see nearby available device will show here. So which Bluetooth device friends you are using guys, select. Example guys, I have the GMD. I will click here friends, you can see pairing option. So guys, you will click here and guys you will get here pair notification guys. Click on pair, your device will pair. I think guys my Bluetooth device do not have battery, that's why it's not connected. But guys, select any device and friends you can use it. Like this is device guys, click here and guys you will get here pair notification guys. Click on pair option, your device will pair with your Motorola phone and friends you can use easily guys. So and friends you can see your device name. Friends, you can check your Bluetooth device name from here guys. Friends, you want to rename your Bluetooth device name, you can rename. So I will change into Motorola phone guys, Motorola mobile, and I will rename it. Friends, you can see device name will change. So like that guys, you can use your Bluetooth setting, you can pair any device guys. Click on device and friends click on pair option and get your Bluetooth device will pair with your phone and you can use guys. Click here pair option and guys you can use your Bluetooth device. As guys I click on pair option, okay, the device will pair with my Motorola phone and I can use it. Same guys, you can use the setting on your Android device and on your Motorola phone. And friends, you don't want to use your Bluetooth setting guys, you can off from here. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.